Eritrea and Ethiopia are the only countries in Africa who use their own alphabet, the Ge'ez alphabet. And this is something we should definitely be proud about. It's something unique that we can be proud about because of the effort of our forefathers. Since the 3rd or 4th century, they have preserved this language by learning it, teaching, and using it. And we're gonna let this effort stop at us? I don't think so. We are committed in preserving this language. It is a gift. This is a treasure that has been passed on to us, and we have the responsibility to preserve it. The only way we do it is by learning it, teaching it, and using it. We offer the best Ge'ez literacy course. What does it mean? It means that if you sign up, or even better, if you sign up your child, they're going to learn how to read and write in just 3 months.